Hi, my name is Ishu. So today I'll be doing a video on how to show that how are we going to do analysis malware. So first up, we'll be doing basic static analysis. So the first program that we're going to use for basic static analysis is PID. So I've PID opened up right here. So PID is basically a program that shows that this malware shows whether or not this malware is actually packed or not. So if you can see the bottom here, there's a Microsoft CABFX. So it says that this is most likely the compiler or the extractor used by this malware to create this malware. So it's that being there, so it shows that this malware is most likely unpacked. And also a second sign that this malware is unpacked is that in the EP section is actually it has actually a dot text there. So which means that this is actually an unpacked malware, because if it's packed, the EP section should be normally kept blank or unknown. So now after that we can move on to PE view. So in PE view, it basically does what it does by its name. So it is just to view the contents or instructions of the particular portable executable file. So in our case, we'll only be using to see the the time and date that this malware was created. So the malware was created on 2004 August 4th, Wednesday on at 6:01 UTC time. So now after that we can go on to bintext. So bintext is basically a program that shows what instructions that this malware go through in clear text. So as you can see here, this the from advapi32.dll to the version.dll, there's a few DLLs there. So this might show that this shows that these few DLLs are actually the ones that this malware imports. So if we can continue going down, you might see some functions that this malware actually does. So as you can see here, there's a registry delete value A and set value exa. So basically the first one will be to delete a value from from probably a existing registry key, and the second one is probably to set a value of another registry key to be something else. So that being said, no, so this means that probably it will uh, do quite a bit of registry changing when we actually run the malware. So after that we can go on continue seeing. um, as you can see here, there will be a create file A. So this might probably mean that this malware will create another file uh, when this malware is run. So after that we can see that there's also a create mutex A. So this create mutex A, so basically a mutex is a mutant file. So a mutant file is a telltale sign of that particular malware in question to be a Trojan. So a Trojan it's a malware that creates a backdoor for the computer, and then it will allow attackers to steal information or get control of your computer even, or something like that. So after that, the strings, there will be a lot, so I'll be going through only these few strings that I just talked about. So now if we can go on, we will go on to dependency walker. So now if we open up the malware in dependency walker, dependency walker is just basically to show what DLLs and what functions does the DLLs that the malware import. So basically if you can see here, there's for the ADVAPI32 DLL. So you can see there's actually the, the functions that we actually saw in bintext, which is here. This one here. Yeah. So probably this DLL will do something with registry keys. So after that, there's this few main DLL. So we will not go through all of them because there is actually a lot of DLL. So if I can go down to this, there's actually create file A and create mutex. So basically, create mutex is the one that I just talked about earlier, which is to create a mutant file. A mutant file being that it can create backdoors to the computers or such like that. So you can just then that will be basically done for the basic static analysis. Thank you.